Chase the dreams that shine so bright, running fast into the night. But time slips through our fingers like sand in an endless flight. Life is short, so hold on tight. Don't be proud, because you will not live here forever. Empty, you will return when time is up. When the final curtain falls, you can't take what you've earned, just the memories you made, the lessons you learned. In a world that's full of greed, we find the strength to plant a seed. Kindness echoes in our actions. It's the love that we truly need. Life is short, so hold on tight. Be humble in your heart. Let love be your guiding light. We can't take it all, we play our part. When the final curtain falls, we won't take what we've earned, just the memories we made, the lessons we learned. So dance with joy through every storm. Embrace the change, let your spirit warm. In every laugh and every tear, live your truth without